Getting rid of heartburn, simple tips and tricks. There are people all over the world that are plagued with acid reflux symptoms. You may be one of them, but you may not have been positive that this is the issue. If you want to read more about the symptoms of acid reflux, you should watch this entire video. When you eat high-fat foods like fried chicken, your stomach empties very slowly. This allows it to become distended and your esophagus may fill up with acid. Choose healthier foods like lean proteins or beans to avoid this situation, and you should be able to control your acid reflux like a pro. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. If you have been taking antacids over an extended period of time, chances are you have acid reflux. While it will not hurt you to take Tums every now and then, continuing to take them when the problem may be more serious is a mistake. Go see a doctor if you have had symptoms for quite some time. Try popping a few pieces of chewing gum into your mouth every time you are feeling the symptoms of acid reflux. This will cause the body to produce a much larger amount of saliva than it does on a regular basis, and this will help neutralize the acid inside of the stomach. After watching the information above, you should have a much better understanding of acid reflux and its symptoms. If you think you are one of the millions affected, it would be a good idea to go and see a doctor. This way you can get a diagnosis and start working on fixing the problem. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.